Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 19880. Find unique binary string. Given an given an array of strings nums containing n unique binary strings, each of length n, return a binary string of length n that does not appear in nums. If there are multiple answers, you may return any of them. So we have if an array contains some number of strings contains only 1 and zeros. And you can see n can be 1 to 16. Let's try to find a solution. Because we have a quite small n, we can try to check all possible combination of strings. So first of all, we need to find the length of each string. To do it, we use function len and get length of first string. Else, it can be helpful to convert list nums to set, because when we get all possible strings, we need to check if each strings contains or not in nums, and if nums is list, it will take O of n time. For sets, it takes O of 1, so it much faster. To convert, we can use function set with an argument nums. Now we have set nums, and we need to find all possible strings. To do it, we can use function product in module itertools. So do it in a loop for I in product. It has two arguments. One argument is a string or list of possible elements. In our case, it's 1 and 0. And second named argument repeat. It's the result length. In our case, it's n. Now, and it return a list of list. So I in our case is list of characters. So we need to convert it to the string. To do it, we use method join of empty string, and when we get a string num, we check if num not in set nums. When we find first num which not in nums, we can return it. And just in case, return none if we didn't find any string. Let's check tests. Test passed. Let's submit. It worked. Let's check one option. If we can't use any libraries like method product, we can calculate it manually. How to do it? First of all, we need to define some variable to collect all possible strings, called it all nums, and some function, in our case let it be helper, which two arguments, length and string s, and call it with total nums and empty string. We will call the function recursively, and in each step we will decrease n by 1 and add 0 or 1 to the string s. And when n will be equal to 0, we'll append s to all nums. So let's check base case. If n equals to 0, append s to all nums and return. And in the loop, append 1 or 0 to the s. To do it, let's call helper recursively. We need to decrease n and append 1 or 0 to s. So after these steps, we have all possible numbers or all possible strings in the variable all nums. And let's check each string like we did previous with when we use product. For num in all nums, if num not in nums, return it. Let's check this solution. Так. We have an error, and in this case we need to call method append to append s to all nums. Let's check tests again. We still have some error. Append test passed. Let's hit it. It still works, but quite slower because we calculate everything in Python. Previously, we used method function product, which use a library call written in C, so it's much faster. But anyway, both solutions work. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.